Hi there! If you're looking to learn Kotlin, a powerful programming language used for Android app development, you're in luck. There are many great websites out there that offer free resources for learning Kotlin. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the best free websites for learning Kotlin. First up is the Kotlin website, https://kotlinlang.org/. This is the official website for Kotlin, and it's a great place to start learning the language. The website offers a comprehensive tutorial that covers the basics of Kotlin, as well as more advanced topics. It also has a reference section that provides in-depth documentation on the various features of Kotlin. Another great website for learning Kotlin is Codecademy, https://www.codecademy.com/. Codecademy offers a free Kotlin course that covers the basics of the language and helps you build your first Kotlin app. The course is interactive and allows you to practice what you've learned as you go along. If you prefer to learn through video tutorials, then you might want to check out the Kotlin for Android series on the Android Developers YouTube channel, https://www.youtube.com/playlist?marklist=plwz5rj2xac_cruxachufjzerk0. This series provides a comprehensive look at Kotlin for Android development and is a great resource for learning the language. Another great resource for learning Kotlin is the Udemy course, Kotlin for Beginners. Learn programming with Kotlin. https://www.udemy.com/course/kotlin-for-beginners/. This course is paid, but it offers a lot of value for the price. It covers all the basics of Kotlin and takes you through the process of building a complete Android app.